Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dohm Speed Shop. This episode we're going to check out an Amazon cordless cutoff wheel. Let's see if it makes the cut. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name's Nick, and welcome. This episode we're going to go through the 3-inch angle grinder rechargeable cutoff wheel from Amazon. Generic power tool uses a small Milwaukee type M12 type battery in the base, and let's check it out. Alright, so first impressions, box is that stellar Makita turquoise green thing that going on that the knockoff tools like to use. It has a 1300 milliamp hour battery, brushed motor, 12-volt battery, compatible, yada yada. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and some cutoff wheels. Let's break it open and see what it looks like. The instructions. Like I said, you got your 2 12-volt lithium-ion Milwaukee M12 type batteries. Power is shared. Whatever that means. Share all the power. Got your little diagram up here for power, ground, and T. Terminal velocity? I don't know. And you got all your usual warning labels on the bottom side of the battery. Got your 3-inch discs that I'm sure are going to explode and I'll be wearing in my beard. Got the charger. You know, whenever the charger looks like this, it's a real heavy duty tool. So we'll see. Other M12 battery. And you got the tool itself. It doesn't feel like total garbage, so that's a plus. Oh, it comes with an Allen key. Because, you know, you don't have enough of these random Allen keys sitting around your toolbox. If it's worth keeping, I'll hold on to the foam to keep in the box for an organizer. See how this got in screws. Notice I'm turning the motor. Some sort of lock here. Oh, there you go. Okay, so to take the anvil off for the cutoff wheel, push up this piece of plastic here, locks the motor, and allows you to take the set screw out. Once again, it's probably in the instructions that I didn't bother to read. You know what, before I put the electric beard trimmer together, put a battery in, see what it sounds like. Sounds like my electric shaver. And the top here warns you to wear safety goggles and all your usual safety squints. Probably won't be doing that. Well, I'll probably put goggles on. If you had one of these explode in your face, you'll learn pretty quickly not to do that again. Put that up there. Tighten the anvil screw. Okay, now it sounds like it could cut some metal. Put the trigger all the way forward. It locks it on. And Power indicator on the side shows we got about half battery. So now that what I've shown you here on the cordless tool, let's get some metal and see if it'll actually cut. Alright, first off we're going to start on some real thin, tetanus-y sheet metal. See if it'll cut this and we'll go from there. Safety first, put some safety goggles on. Yes, I wear glasses, so I get to kind of go over my regular glasses. Get some gloves on. Now we're all hooked up. Let's see if this thing will even cut. Felt like a champ. I'm pleasantly surprised. Pretty straight cut too. So now that we proved it can cut that, let's go on to a little bit thicker stuff. Alright, well now that we've proved that this guy can cut some thinner metal, I'm going to try to hit the corner off this trans tunnel. This is off like a 66 Chevelle, I think I got it off of, and this is a trans tunnel on my 53 over there. I remember this corner was kind of in my way when I was test fitting, so why not notch it now? No, it stalled out once. Not too shabby. Not too shabby for what that is at all. Alright, well, that's all I'm going to cut today. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with this guy. I don't know if this guy would be real good at, you know, some heavy duty stuff, but for white sheet metal, anything automotive grade, I think this guy would probably do it. I'm surprised how beefy the motor is for being brushed, considering everything's like brushless now. But yeah, for light duty application, automotive, thumbs up for sure. Alright guys, I hope you like this tool review. If you do, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time here from the Dohm Speed Shop.